Assalamu alaikum. We will start with our 7th chapter circle problem set 30. In the table below, write the names of the points in the interior and exterior of the circle and those on the circle. So here the table is given. First column is diagram. Second, points in the interior of the circle, points on the exterior of the circle and points on the circle. Interior means the points inside the circle. Exterior means points outside the circle. And points on the circle means the points on the circumference. Understood? So first we have to write the interior, that is inside the circle. So first point is Y. So we will write here point Y, then point R, point T and point X. Understood? So whenever we are going to write, we are not going to write directly Y, R, T, X. We have to write point. Understood? Next is exterior, means outside the circle. So outside the circle, first is point W. Next point M. And next point Z. Next is points on the circle. On the circle means the points on this circumference. So first is point P. See here, the point is on the circle. So we'll write here point P. Next point, which point is this? Point N. So we'll write here point N. Understood? So this is the problem set 30. Now we will see what is the arc of the circle. This is a new topic, arc of the circle. Now for example, this is a circle. It is having points on it, that is A, B and C. Understood? So arc means the 3 points which we are going to say. Like for example, this is one arc. Understood? That is arc ABC. Next we will take it as this is the another arc, that is arc BCA. Next we will take green color. For example, we will take it from C, CAB. So we will write here arc CAB. So this is known as the arcs. Understood? Arc of the circle. So problem set 31. In the figure given alongside, points S, L, M and N are on the circle. Answer the questions with the help of the diagram. So this is a diagram. This is a circle which is having 4 points on the circle, that is L, M, N and S. First, write the names of the arcs with N points S and M. That is, this is S, this is M. So we will write here arc SLM and SLM. Done. Now we'll take here SNM. Arc SNM. Understood? Now next question. Next, write the names of the arcs with the N points L and N. That is L and N. So we'll write here arc LMN, means the 3 alphabet which we write. In this, the first and last letter should be, first will be L and last will be N. So this will be arc LMN and arc L S N. Done. Now we'll move on to the second question. Question number 2. Write the names of the arcs that points A, B, C and D in the given circle rise to. So how we have done the first, we'll do the here. So first we'll take the end points as A and C. So we'll get arc A, B, C, arc A, D, C. This is A, B, C and A, D, C. This is with endpoints C and A and C. Understood? This is first. Second, now we'll take endpoint as A and D. That is arc DAB, arc DCB. Yes or no? Yes. So with this we have done. So here we have done with this too. Now we'll do the opposite, that is C and A. Now we'll take C as first. So arc CBA, arc CDA. Fourth one. Now as we have taken this opposite, now we will take this also opposite. We'll start from B. So arc BCD, arc BAD. Sorry, arc BAD. Understood? Question number 3. Give the names of the arcs that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. Understood? So here the points are given. We have to write the arc as we have done previously. So first we'll take the PR first. Endpoints. Endpoints PR. So we'll write here first is arc PQR, arc PTR, arc PSR, understood? So here PR is the point. We have taken PQR, PTR, PSR. Understood? Now we'll take the opposite R, that is from the starting of R. Arc RQP, arc RSP, arc RTP. This is the end point of PR. Now we'll take the next. Endpoints PS. QT, sorry, we will take QT. So QT is the endpoint, so we'll write here arc QPT, arc QRT, arc QST, arc TPQ, arc TSQ, arc TRQ. Understood? So we have taken PR, QT. Yes or no? We can take PS also. PRS, PQS. Yes or no? So these are the different way which we can find the arcs. Understood? So we can take here now, if we'll take PS then, third endpoints PS. So we get arc PTS, arc PQS, arc PRS. Understood? So next opposite, arc STP, arc SQP, arc SRP. Understood? Now we'll take the fourth endpoint, that is RT. So we'll take arc RST, arc RQT, arc RPT. Next opposite, arc TSR, arc TQR, arc TPR. Understood? This is the way we are going to find the arcs. Next endpoint, last, QS. So we'll take arc QRS, arc QPS, arc QTS. Now opposite, arc SRQ, arc SPQ, arc STQ. Understood? So with this we have done question number 3. Question number 4 of your textbook, you will do it as a homework, which is a activity based question. We have to measure the circumference of any circular objects like bangles, like any of the jar. We have to take the circumference and we have to measure the circumference and we have to write. So question number 4, you are going to do it as a homework. So with this we have done with our chapter number 7, circle chapter. With this we have done with our first semester portion.